Hey guys, so today I've got a box I've never had before, and it is a box of Goth. Now, generally when a company sends me a box for free, I don't really say if I do or I don't like it as much as I would if I actually bought it myself. If someone sends it me, I kind of just show what's in it. But I did actually buy this with my own money, and I'm not the biggest fan of it. Don't get me wrong, everything in it is really, really cute. I just sort of feel like it's maybe aimed at like a younger audience than me. But I'm going to show you anyway. It is like, I love the box and everything. I'm definitely going to keep this to put stuff in. I don't actually remember how much this was. I think it was about £25 maybe. I'll put the link and all the information and everything down below, because I know some people are going to really love this. It's just not my personal thing, but that's, you know, whatever. So when you open it up, it looks like this. The first thing on the top here is like a little door hanger. So it's got a pumpkin on it. Oh, and by the way, this is a trick-or-treat themed box, like the film Trick or Treat, Sam and everything. So on the little door hanger it says the rules of Halloween: 1, always wear a costume; 2, always give candy to trick-or-treaters; 3, never blow out or extinguish the flame of a jack-o'-lantern; 4, always respect the dead; and 5, always check your candy. So it's pretty cute. Then it has a little list of what's inside here. I'm not going to read it out, I'm just going to show you. And then there is all these little orange worms. So I'm going to just move those off the top so that they don't get everywhere. Now, the first thing in here is this, which looks like a little scroll. And this is like an art print of Sam. It is actually really, really cute. I do like this. I'm just not sure where I'm going to put it really. But it is sweet though. I like it. Like a little print. Next we have this, which is wrapped up. And this is a necklace. Now it is really cute. It's just not something that I will really ever wear. So it comes on a black chain, and it's like a little acrylic. If you've watched Trick or Treat, this is like his little lolly. It's just a little plastic necklace. That's cute. I mean, it'd probably hang maybe about like here lengthwise. Then we have these bath salts. These are spice bath salts, just a little bag. I'm not sure about the smell of these. They're just kind of like spicy. I mean, it's a very like autumn scent, but it's not like sweet or anything. Then we have a little pin badge, which looks like this. And another little baggie, which has a ring in it, which looks like this. This is like a little, you know, like you can change the size of it kind of thing. I mean, it's just not something I would ever wear, really, but that's fair enough. Then we have another necklace, which is in here, which is like a metal Sam head. This one's cute. I mean, I'd wear this one probably more than the other one. Still not really something that I would wear, but it's definitely more me than the plastic one anyway. Then we have some little candy corns. It says "Eat Me" on there. I know in America these are absolutely everywhere, but in England, I don't know if people know this or not, we don't actually have candy corn. If you want candy corn in England, you have to go to a shop that sells like American sweets or something like that, or like buy them online. We don't actually just have these in shops, which is weird. And then there's 2 things left. There is this little guy, who is definitely very, very cute. I do like this. This is probably my favourite thing in the box. Just like a little Sam doll. It is only made out of pipe cleaners. I don't know if that's going to show up well. It is just like, you know, it's not well made or anything. But he is very, very cute though. I do like him. I might actually like put something in his head and hang him off my rear view mirror in my car. And then apart from like the cute little pumpkin confettis in here, there is one last pouch, and this has 2 pins in it. So I like these as well, definitely. There is this one, which is the Trick or Treat candy bar with the knife in it. Just says Trick R on it because the treat's like opened up here. And then the other one is his little lolly. So yeah, that was everything in Box of Goth. Like I said, not really my kind of thing, just purely because I won't really use anything out of it. I'll eat the candy corns, and I do like these little pins and the little Sam doll, but the other things just not really for me. But anyway, I thought I would show you guys anyway because I've ordered so many boxes with it being Halloween time. So yeah, like I said, I will put the links and everything, like all the information down below, and I hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.